In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import products from CG Dropshipping to your Shopify website. So what you want to do for this, you want to go to importify.com and then hit get started. So from here, we want to select our store name. So let's copy our store name. It's this one. Hit login. And now it's going to connect right here and hit install app. So that's going to install the app, and as you can see here, you need to choose a subscription. So the cheapest one is $15, but you can also go for the premium or gold version. I would just recommend you to do the basic one. Then what we have to do, we have to find a product on CG Dropshipping. So I have some internet issues with CG Dropshipping. So on this product right now, it's a yoga message pillow thing. And what you have to do now is you have to go to Chrome Web Store and download Importify. Download this one. I've already added it. It's right here. And what you want to do, you want to go to CG Dropshipping, as I said, refresh the page, and then because of the extension, this comes up. And this is an add button to add the product. So what you want to do, you want to hit add, and then the product will be added to your Importify account. So for me, it doesn't work because I haven't selected a plan, but I know where it comes. So where it comes is, it comes to the import list. This is where all the products will appear when you add them from CG Dropshipping. What you can do then, you can hit the button import to Shopify, and when you hit the button, all the products will be added to your product list on Shopify. So that's how easy that is. If this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.